In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Freshsales CRM in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline your workflow by connecting your marketing campaigns with your customer relationship management system. So, let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Zapier. Zapier is a powerful platform that connects different applications, enabling them to work together seamlessly. Once you've got Zapier's homepage up, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is quite straightforward. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll be looking to create what Zapier calls a Zap. Think of a Zap as a blueprint for automating tasks between applications. To start, click on the option to create a new Zap. This is where the magic begins. In the first step of creating your Zap, you'll need to set up a trigger app. For our integration, select Mailchimp as your trigger app. This means that actions in Mailchimp will drive new activity in Freshsales. Next, you'll need to decide on a specific trigger event. For instance, you might want to choose New Audience as the trigger event, which means that every time you add a new audience in Mailchimp, an action will be initiated. You'll then be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. Simply follow the instructions, granting all necessary permissions so that Zapier can access your Mailchimp data. Now, let's move on to the Action app. This is where Freshsales comes into play. Select Freshsales as the Action app, since we'll be sending data from Mailchimp into Freshsales. You'll need to choose an action event. Perhaps Add Note to Contact sounds suitable. This means that for every new audience added in Mailchimp, a note is automatically added to the corresponding contact in Freshsales. Again, you'll need to connect your Freshsales account in Zapier, ensuring you give the correct permissions. Once your trigger and action apps are linked and set up, the next step is to click Continue. Here, you'll map the data. This involves selecting the data from Mailchimp that you want to be reflected in Freshsales. It could be details like audience name, email, or specific tags that are important for your records. Remember, clear mapping here is crucial, as it ensures relevant information is transferred accurately. After you've mapped the data, it's time to test your Zap. Zapier offers a handy test function to verify if the automation works as expected. It's always good to catch any errors or mismatches here and make the necessary adjustments before going live. Once everything checks out nicely, hit Publish to activate your Zap. And there you have it. The integration between Mailchimp and Freshsales is complete. This automation helps you manage and update contacts efficiently, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. We hope this tutorial empowers you to get more out of both Mailchimp and Freshsales. Thanks for joining us today, and happy integrating.